family. I'm going to take this one into the home. Oh. The first thing they check when you bring these in, make sure it's completely empty, your gas and everything. I'm talking about the lady checked it like 3 times yesterday. So I emptied it pretty good. I emptied the oil because they won't take it back if you got oil or gas in it. So we'll see if they got the one we want. Recommendations or you just straight run the synthetic. I see one guy online saying you want to run some conventional through there. You got any?
The way that I've been told how to do it and what I pass on to everybody is put some oil in it, run it for like 30 minutes to an hour with no load.
Okay.
Just run it.
Okay.
Okay. And then drain it, refill it.
All right, we're back at the homestead and we're going to work as hard as possible to try to get this thing completed by tonight.
We seem to typically work better under pressure anyway.
Which is the truth, you guys, seriously.
So we're under some pressure. We got a lot of things going on and tomorrow. So we're going to see how far we can get.
Okay, family, so I'm going to start off with getting the boards cut down. That's going to be for the walls or height of the building. I mean, not building, but chicken coop. And get them cut down to 6 feet. So my husband made this first mark. Get that in the middle over there. Alrighty, let's get her done. My daughter's bought me this. Who bought me this tripod? One of the twins. I'm so thankful for it, even though I barely use it. Let's tilt that down. There we go. All right, let's get our first cut done. There we go. So this would be about the height for the chicken walls. So honey, did you figure out if you're going to do like a T right here or no?
I don't think we got enough. We'll just run 4 posts.
All right.
Hold that just like that, babe.
All right, hold on.
I don't want it on the ground.
Oh, you don't want it on the ground?
I want it on the ground, right there. You still got it on the ground? I want it even with right here.
Okie dokie. So this is what we've gotten done so far. This way will be, right here will be the entrance entrance into the chicken coop right here.
All right, babe, come over here and mark the halfway mark from the center beam. Mark
Oh,
halfway right here, and we'll split the beam.
okay.
The posts, rather, not the beam.
Halfway looks good. Hold on, I have to do this.
Hold on.
What?
Feel like this is down too far.
Well, then we just have to go down a little bit.
It's fine. I ain't got that much pressure to knock it over. Come on.
That's great.
I'm just using the nails to get it tacked up. I'm actually coming back with wood screws and make it more secure. But I'm just tacking it with the nails for now. Gotta cut this piece from here to here, honey.
Which piece?
Remember, we gotta go over.
Here, let's smooth this. All right, what are we doing? That's higher.
Hmm?
Remember I told you to move that down since that one's. Crazy. It looks straight from back here. Look at this. But it's fine. Okay. What?
We always gonna have to be separate because this will be where we gonna have to come. I said, well, we can't go straight across there because I forgot the door gonna be right here. So we actually gonna have to frame this in right here.
Yeah.
So we'll just take one of those, we'll cut it. A small door right here.
I don't know how to make no door frame, so hopefully you do.
And I'll make all the other ones.
Yeah, it's true. All right. Okay.
I'll cut those off, those I-section nails, just to hold it in place.
Let me see something real quick.
Should have been other.
That's a perfect door area right here.
Where?
Right here.
It is too. You ain't kidding. Maybe we should do it that way.
All right.
I think we will.
I mean, it'll be a lean-to. We'll walk through the side.
It'll be all right.
But yeah,
Yeah.
it's already a door right here, you know?
It just settled. at a doorway.
Yeah.
Let's get this measured in and give them a call.
Tell me if that looks straight. We can stand back and see if that looks straight.
Come down on your end. A little more. All right.
I hate when that happens.
Push this out with it.
Wait, now will you go back and see where it has to be? Okay. Looking good, y'all. Looking good. Looking good in the neighborhood. He was gonna cut this piece off, but I said leave it on because maybe we can build like an extra something onto the back of the chicken coop. So I don't know. We'll see. Ew. I'm trying to fly in my mouth.
Slowly but surely, guys, we're getting there.
Yep, it's coming together.
So far, we probably got about 2 hours in.
Mm-hmm. Okay, family, so as y'all know, I like things to be pretty put together. So I asked my husband if he could possibly make 2 X's. I just think that'll look really pretty on the 2 biggest parts. And then we'll go ahead and have the chicken wire behind there. I don't know. So we're going to see if we can or if we can't. It's not a big deal, but it would be nice. You think, honey?
No, I'm just looking at it. I have to do a couple miter cuts.
Mm-hmm.
I can do it, though. Oh, I can do it.
Yes, family, look at that. The X's look so good. I love it. Yay! What color you guys think I should paint this? Should I do like a bright yellow, a bright red? I don't know. All right, family, so we had this extra piece of metal and we're going ahead and getting that on the back side of the coop.
All right, family, I'm just going to level off this corrugated steel. Tomorrow morning, I'll swing out to the orange store and get a couple roof beams. And that'll be that. All right.
Okay, family, so It is dark outside. I am still in the mood to work. Me and my husband, we want to get stuff done. So we're in our own wood pile right now that we have in the back of the bathhouse. Sorry if you can't really see. And we're just getting the sides up on the coop. I'll show you what we've done so far. And then we're going to end this video because it's just too dark. Look at how lovely that looks. It's so pretty. So we're just going to use our pallet wood and just enclose the two sides up to these pieces of wood right there. And then more pallet wood right here. We'll probably, I don't know if we're going to use more pallet wood right here or just keep this open with chicken wire, because we bought how many feet of chicken wire today, honey?
We're probably gonna need more, but I think we got like 100 foot.
Okay, 100 feet of chicken wire. So yeah. All right, family. Well, we are going to end this video tonight, and we'll see you very soon with the finished products. And until then, we love you, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Peace.